Welcome to Research Rocks. If you're looking Rezi AI Premium subscription, so might be this video is helpful for you. Subscription prices are available monthly, quarterly and lifetime. It's expensive for the lifetime point of view. $149 you need to pay once and get this subscription in entire life. But if I'm telling you Premium Inchi platform are selling this subscription just only $15, 15. Where is available, what is the process, we will see detailed demonstration in my laptop screen. I simply open Google and type here Premium in cheap. So this is the very authenticate platform. I purchased so many software license key. You should join the WhatsApp and Telegram group as well, so you are receiving a notification as well. So here different products are available, which one you like accordingly you should purchase. I just simply type here Rezi, enter. So this is the software we are purchasing. This one 90% off as original price. The 1298, it means $13 you just pay and receive this subscription for lifetime with the help of the Premium Inchi platform. How we can purchase this one? It's very easy. Buy now. As a billing detail point of view, first name, last name, your region, no matter which country you are living, then address, city, state, pin code, mobile number, email address is the most important. Make a right because of they are sending redeem link on the specific email address. Order always comes here in via WhatsApp. I just simply place the order, wait couple of seconds, so I just simply send it to them. This is the WhatsApp number of admin of Premium Inchi platform. So we are waiting here. Look at this here, within a second they are replying me. Hi, thank you. Order received. Now let's see what we do here. Afterward, I just simply open here my email address. Rezi AI Premium subscription price is here and the basic detail. Go back here. Product Rezi Premium in price, pay via WhatsApp. They are verifying me. This is your email address. You can say yes, or if it is not, you can change the email address from this stage as well. So as a payment point of view, which payment option you are using? If you are living in India, UPI is one of the best. If you are living outside India, crypto, PayPal and credit card, debit card option is also available. I just simply select here UPI, enter. I am receiving here Paytm QR code. Using my mobile phone and phone pay, I complete this payment. So I need to pay 1298 INR. So I just simply scan this QR code. From my angle, payment is done. So I just simply say here payment is done, enter. They are replying me receive. If I go back here again, my email address, click here, so I am receiving here. So look at this here, please send the Rezi login link receive on your email address. So look at this here, I'm receiving one email address. If I click here, we need to copy this link, open the WhatsApp and sending to them because of they are asking me the same question. So I just simply send here is the link. So we order, we payment, and afterward we are receiving one link on email address and we just simply copy this link and send it to them. Let's see, afterwards I go back here. So here upgrade option is showing. If I refresh here, so not yet. It will be done in 5 to 10 minutes. I will update you once it's done. Okay. Rezi partner with Strip. Simplify billing is done. So my simply is a lifetime subscription is done using this process. Thank you for choosing the Premium Inchi platform. Now I just simply refresh this page and we are receiving this upgrade or not. Let's see. I just simply refresh and boom, my subscription is really done. If I click here, my profile picture inside the account, and look at this here, cancel your subscription pro, downloading, we revoke access, upgrade features, all resume expectations. So my subscription is done. Using this process, you can very easily receive very affordable prices premium subscription with the help of Premium Inchi platform. If you have any question related on this process, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.